Hurricane Elissa is beginning to take its toll. A hurricane warning was issued several hours ago. If you have not yet evacuated, please do so immediately. Here are some precautions you must take as a citizen. First and foremost, get inside. Don't follow by my example. Second, make sure all doors inside and out are shut and boarded. If there's a significant amount of lightning, unplug all appliances immediately. It'll be precaution. Oh gosh. Make sure you have all backup supplies nearby. This should include a radio, flashlights, batteries, cannon box food, and cans of water. Mark off that checklist right now. If your electricity ends up going out, don't use candles and don't open your fridge. The food will get spoiled, and you might need it in case of an emergency. Oh gosh. And remember, once this is all done, you must go to a closet, hallway, or any interior room that has no windows surrounding. Please keep this in mind and act immediately. Hurricanes cannot be taken lightly. Wind speeds can reach over 150 miles an hour! Lightning can be disastrous, flooding can occur, and tornadoes can start up. Buildings can be knocked down, telephones can be knocked down, cities can be ruined. Erosion from storm surges can occur. Bacteria can form, harming all forms of life. Sanitary problems can arise, especially with water. And these economic and political problems are endless, not to mention the several people whose lives are drastically conformed. Can we move this inside? I need to get out!
We're now live with Dunbeezy and the weather.
I'm Alyssa Dunbeezy, live with the weather. I just came in from outside. It's crazy out there. It's raining, wind speeds are reaching 150 miles an hour. It's crazy.
Yeah, man, it's sick out there. My fucking mom died out there. My brother's dead. There's thunder, and it's like,
all right. Now we'll have a discussion with student of meteorology, specializing in hurricane tracking and development. This is G-Chat.
Yeah. Let me talk to you guys about some hurricane tracking. There's this detection and monitoring of these storms. It's traditionally posed some serious problems to the forecaster. The advent of geostationary weather satellites has largely solved the detection problem and has improved the monitoring problem.
Whoa.
Yeah. However, the satellites are remote sensors, and it's not usual for position estimates to have errors of tens of miles, or for wind speed estimates to be an error by tens of knots.
No way. Can you tell me something about the principal sources of data?
No, I'm just kidding. I said whatever. Anyway, the principal sources of data, in addition to weather satellites, are reconnaissance aircraft, coastal radars, and measurements from ships, buoys, and land stations. Reconnaissance aircraft can measure details of a storm structure when a tropical cyclone is within range of staging areas used by the aircraft. Let me tell you a little bit about some hurricane track forecasting.
It's getting crazy out there.
It is. It's wicked. Didn't I tell you my mom died? Come on. There's this thing called the center fixed aircraft reconnaissance, and it's required for optimum short-range forecasts of cyclone landfall and storm surge.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nebular.
That's what it is. Unfortunately, the present reconnaissance aircraft fleet and weather satellite information cannot provide the full three-dimensional data required for hurricane track forecasting. Sucks.
I know, right?
We all know.
Tell me about it.
The remote sensing satellite data are limited in accuracy and coverage, particularly at the critical middle troposphere levels.
Weird. Crazy.
I also heard about this recent study that NHC 24H forecast errors have declined about 14% over the past 20 years. This decline can be attributed to various factors, like especially the improved ability to monitor and track the storm energy.
Weird.
I know. Well, I mean, at least we're getting there, you know?
All right. Okay, G-Chap.
Yeah, what's up?
Could you, I don't even, can't handle it. Could you tell me something about hurricane intensity and coastal hazards?
I can.
Oh.
I can.
You're a specialist.
I am.
You should.
Meteorology is my thing. So there's a little skill in the prediction of hurricane-related rainfall. I mean, areas of heavy rainfall can be monitored.
Okay.
However, from conventional radars along the United States coast, so, you know, from kind of far away. You got me?
Got you.
The prediction problem is complicated by terrain effects and uncertainties arising from the forecast of the track. Basically, yeah.
Cat.
Just to sum it up for you simple-minded people.
Thank you, my main man.
Oh.
My shake up.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks for having me on.
Do. We're now live again with Dun Beasy and the weather.
All right, so here I am again in the midst of the hurricane, still going ramping out there. It's crazy. I'm here again with another specialist, Kathleen, and she is going to tell us about new technological innovations concerning hurricane tracking and development.
So today, radar sea-based recording devices, geosynchronous weather satellites, and other devices now supply data to National Hurricane Center in Florida, which follows each storm from the beginning. Radars can provide warning about any storm within range. The characteristic spiral banding of dense clouds and rain makes cyclonic storms easy to identify. Satellites can transmit photographs of any part of the Earth and its cloud system.
That's incredible.
Yeah, pretty.
But okay, so what I really want to know about, really badly, is this HURAD thing. It's this the next generation hurricane hunter tool in development by NASA,
Yeah.
and it's designed to measure the wind intensity inside of a hurricane. Now, what can you tell us about this?
Well, this is really the exciting part. So HURAD is short for Hurricane Imaging Radiometer. This new instrument, designed by NASA, like you said, may be the latest and best technology yet to determine the wind intensity inside a hurricane. The best.
The best.
The best. HURAD is designed to scan large areas of the ocean for microwave signals that can give scientists clues to the strength and dynamics of a potential hurricane. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. I'd say really cool is more like it, right?
One of the
Right?
greatest problems today in forecasting hurricanes is predicting the intensity of a hurricane. HURAD is designed to see through a hurricane and look past the intense rain bands of the storm. Interestingly, the method by which the HURAD will see the intensity of a hurricane is by looking at the froth produced in the ocean beneath the hurricane.
The froth?
The
Really?
froth, yeah.
Strange.
Intense winds will churn up the ocean, producing a frothy foam that gives off its own form of microwave radiation. With the time and funding, you can donate some if you would like. The HURAD may be the next generation hurricane prediction technology.
No way! That's awesome! That's the coolest thing I've ever heard!
Well, that's our cue. So
That's our cue. I guess we're out of time today on the show. Do.